folks, I'm Miss Amy from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library. Who's ready for Silver Birch? Every year, the Silver Birch Fiction and Silver Birch Express Awards, among others, are presented through the Ontario Library Association's Forest of Reading program. We love how this program celebrates Canadian illustrators and authors, and we encourage you to check out all of the books that have been nominated. Readers in grades 3 to grade 6 are also invited to participate in our annual Silver Birch Battle of the Books, being held this year on April 28th at 6 o'clock p.m. You can find a link in the description for registration. To help readers prepare for the battle, we've prepared a video for each of the nominated titles that talks a bit about the book and has a hint or two for all of our competitors. Check it out. Let's talk about Alice Fleck's Recipes for Disaster by Rachelle Delaney. Alice Fleck has reluctantly agreed to go on a reality cooking show with her dad. But once filming starts, the show isn't what anyone expected. And some behind-the-scenes sabotage is making things very challenging. Fortunately, Alice manages to make some new friends to help her through these challenging times. Alice is so relatable, and the mystery will keep you guessing right into the very end. Battle of the Books participants, you'll want to remember some of the details about the cooking show that Alice and her father find themselves in. Good luck to all of our Battle of the Books participants. We'll see you on April 28th.